I'm standing here in front of a painting I did at the Shandy Clinic of a scene of nature or a representation of nature that I created. While painting this image, I contemplated often the nature of man and what nature is and what our nature is as humans. What is human nature? For me as an artist, I believe that our nature is that of a creator. That being an artist is our true nature. We're not robots, we're not servants, we're not slaves. What we're designed to do is create. We're all made to be artists. We're programmed by the universe or God or the great programmer or creator of the universe, whatever you want to call it, universal force. Now this universal force created us in a way that we are creative individuals. We create buildings, we create paintings, we create technologies, things about ourselves that enhance humanity, that enhance the world. So our nature is to be creative beings. Our nature is to be artists. Our nature is to apply our brains through our bodies, oftentimes through a form of technology such as spray paint cans or paintbrushes or cameras and microphones, and we use those technologies to create things that further humanity, that express emotions and ideas in such ways as to affect one another, bring joy and peace and understanding to each other. I believe that a great part of what's happening in this world that's creating much of our problems, that human beings aren't in touch with their creative selves. They're reliant on other people, other things, other forms of technology to bring them their education, to bring them their entertainment, when in reality, for me, the best thing for us to do is to apply our creative thoughts, our brain functions towards things, and create the things that we desire, the things that we're inspired to do. I believe that the true nature of humanity is to follow our gut instincts and have our gut instincts lead us to our desires of the things that we're inspired to do, and then apply our brain functions towards those things and create those things. And I believe that's the true nature of humanity. And through technology and through our understandings of our interactions with nature, with technology, we have a greater understanding of what nature actually is. And we look outside of ourselves, past our meat suits, and into the whole reality and our whole interactions with the reality. And then we come into better harmony and greater understanding of what our purpose here in this reality is. So through these videos, my greatest goal and aim is to encourage everybody to find a creative practice. If you don't yet have a creative practice, part of creativity is exploration. So find the things that you're interested in and just try them out. Art's very inconsequential, and you can make a painting and it might be bad, but it's no big deal. You can make a song, you can write a poem, you can write a novel, you can do a list of unlimited things and apply creative thought and creative energy to it, and through that, you'll be able to make the world a better place. Peace.